Now, if you have not seen this video right here, I need y'all to go. Y'all need to get up off this video because it's too much to explain. Listen, y'all not gonna get it. So go and watch this video and then y'all can come back. Now, if you have seen this video, you already know a contractor came to my house and tried to pull a fast one. Now, at the time, I needed my roof done. And while he was in the attic, I was trying to verify some of the claims he was making. And he ain't like that. Now, if you want to know exactly what he did to me, go ahead and watch that video. Now, baby, when I tell you this man did not like what I did, he let it be known. Now, what I will say is that all of a sudden it went from this to this. Bone dry.
Sorry, y'all, but I have got to pause this video and share this with y'all real quick. I told my dad about this story, and he does odd jobs, handyman work, on the side. And when I told him what I did, he laughed. He thought it was the funniest thing. He told me, he said, "Yeah, you wasn't supposed to do that. You were supposed to play along." He was basically telling me that some of these contractors expect you to just go along with whatever that they say. Oh my God, that tripped me out. And this was shortly after me becoming a first-time homeowner. And when I tell you, this whole situation taught me a very valuable lesson. Now back to the video.
Now, when he was finished in the attic, he went on top of my roof to continue his inspection, went on about his day, and later gave me my estimate. Now, a day or two later, here comes the second contractor. Now, you always want to get multiple estimates when you getting some major work done to your house. Remember that. You never want to go with the first estimate. Now, the second contractor, really nice guy, did the inside of my attic, did the top of the roof, and when he was done, he came down to get me. And baby, when I tell you what he told me shocked me, I mean jaw-dropping surprise. He told me it looked like somebody had intentionally damaged my roof. He told me exactly where the damage was at, and at the time there was no inside water leaks in that area. So that told me, I'm like, this is new. What is going on right now? He had already taken some pictures, so I asked to see them, and this is what he showed me. Now, when I tell y'all I was so upset, I was upset. I was not happy. And this is why I'm saying you got to watch the other video before you watch this one. Now, this is one assumption I believe I'm spot on about. Now, I say that because the scratch, number one, it looked fresh. Number two, there's no water damage on the inside of the house in that section. And number three, that man was not happy with me. After I tried to verify what he told me. You always got to trust but verify these contractors. I've said it before, I'm gonna always say it, and y'all need to be aware of the type of people that are coming in your home. Everybody is not honest. I'm trying to create a community over here. Us neighbors, we gotta sit together, and there are gonna be times where we may be taken advantage of. Somebody may try to get one over on us, pull the wool over our eyes, pull a fast one, try to pull the okey doke, trying to play us for boo-boo the fool. And listen, we just can't have it. We can't have it. We gotta be smart about that. We neighbors. I don't care if you live next door, if you live down the street, if you live in my state, another state, or a different country. We got to look out for each other. Now, the first guy, needless to say, I did not hire him to do the job. I hired a completely different company, and at the end of the day, I got a brand new roof, and I put the entire situation behind me. Now, be honest. Y'all tell me, am I wrong in assuming that man did that to my roof? Let me know. Do y'all agree with me, or am I just way off? Did that cut on my roof happen naturally, organically? I hope y'all enjoyed this story. Now, the next time y'all invite a contractor to your home to do an estimate, trust, but always verify what's going on. See y'all in the next one. Bye.